Hello all you amazing people, welcome back to the channel and another video. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Johnny from JMoPainting. If you want to learn more about acrylic pouring, resin art, and other art related topics, start right now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. And with that, let's get into the video. Alright, so today we're doing a galaxy pour. Because of one of the comments from my last videos, Patricia Rouse, you asked me to do a galaxy pour, so that's what we're doing today. Today, the colors we're going to be using are, we're going to have a black background, which is just the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. We're going to have Phthalo Blue, Artist Loft, Titanium White, Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics. This is just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, the same color I'm using as the base. And then we have an Artist Loft Deep Magenta. All these colors, with the exception of this black base coat, have 2 drops of silicone in them. They've been thinned to the appropriate consistency, which is just like warmer ice cream. So with that, we're gonna slap this base coat on there and we're gonna get started with this flip cup. I love flip cups. They're so random. You can plan some of it, but for the most part, what you get out of this is never going to be exactly what you want. It's never going to be what you planned or what idea you had in your head. It's just kind of freeing to have that flexibility. Wow, that's a big old lump of Floetrol, huh? I need to strain that. Somebody do me a favor in the comments to remind me, because my memory's pretty good. / no, it's not. In the comments, just put a comment, strain your Floetrol, please, for all of us. Because I absolutely will not remember to do it. As much as I would love to remember, I am sure I will forget. But anyway guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. I had so much great engagement from my last video. Thank you guys so much for the comments that you left me. I mean, it just feels almost like I'm starting to get to know some of you guys. And it's super helpful. Like, there's a lot of you that I can actually relate to also. One of you was kind of suffering from the winter depression and you discovered this art form and it kind of is the therapy for you. And in the same note, I myself found this art form through depression, and it's a very freeing, therapeutic art form and I love it so much. So let me continue to spread this. But again, from the bottom of my heart, guys, I really appreciate the comments you guys left on the last video. It means a lot to me. Just helping me out. And it's nice to get to know some of you. So if you want to, go ahead and leave a comment down below whether or not, or not whether or not, but what type of pour would you like to see next time? I've been really debating doing an embellished pour. It's something I had never tried, but it is something that I'm willing to give it a shot. So if that is something that you might want to see, just let me know. I would absolutely love to try new things. I'm all about it. So if you have any suggestions for any kind of newer ideas, yes, I will try it. Alright. So now we're ready to layer these cups. Now with the galaxy pour, you typically want to layer the black in the bottom of the cup, because the black, if it's in the bottom when you flip it, it will be the last color to come out. Now you don't want to use too much, just enough. And then contrasting colors, so we have this dioxazine purple, which is Absolutely gorgeous color. Then this magenta here. Now again, all these colors have 2 to 3 drops of silicone in them already mixed. And then kind of a dark blue. So that makes me think of the sky. Another reason to put the black in first is because it's one of the heavier colors. So when you flip the cup upside down, that heavy black will travel through most of the other colors, and it's gonna create the cell effect that you want. I love this art form so much, it's so much fun. How many of y'all could just sit here all day if you had the time to do it and just paint? I mean, I know I could. I wish I had all the time in the world to sit here and do it. Unfortunately, I don't have tons and tons of time right now. I just got out of the military myself, in the process of getting another job. So whatever spare time I can find, I'm always in here painting or doing something to kind of release this little bit of creative urges I have. So I really enjoy doing this. Alright, so something I'm going to try with these colors too, just to kind of move them around a little bit more than they're gonna, is I'll put a stick through down in the side, drag it through, lift it up, and do the same thing. So kind of quartering the cup. And then we are ready to flip. Alright, let's let that paint settle down to the bottom. So if you guys are enjoying the content, if you could do me a favor, just hit that like button. It's free. It gives me a little bit of help with YouTube. It helps the channel grow. So if you guys are enjoying the content, if you could just give me a like. If you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe because I put out content like this every Monday and Thursday, and I don't want you to miss it. So with that, we are ready to flip our cup over. I'm super excited to see what this turns into. I'm super excited. I have a feeling it's going to be awesome. Oh. Wow. That is even better than I thought it was going to look. So now I'm just going to let the paint kind of spread a little bit. As you can see, the black did travel through the other colors because it's on top now. But we're getting a whole bunch of just really beautiful cells. Got that nice galaxy look in the center. Alright, so now I'm going to torch it. And just let it spread a little bit more. We're actually getting, you're seeing that lighter magenta is starting to pop through. Man, this looks so good. Wow. And this isn't a color palette that I normally would have chosen for myself. So we're just going to do a little bit of stretching here. I found that if I do tilt a little bit slower, it helps the cells maintain their look. Some really beautiful cells popping up too. That is crazy looking. I'm gonna try to keep the colors on the canvas for now. Alright, so the bottom's starting to fall off just a little. I'll bring this one back. The colors of this thing. I'm just amazed. I didn't at all think that this was going to end up looking this nice. Because typically I don't use these types of colors. The purples and the blues. If you haven't noticed, I'm pretty big into red, silvers, golds, metallics, that kind of thing. Those things really, they look well to me. I like the way they look together. But I may have a new favorite color palette. This light magenta, or no, deep magenta, dioxazine purple, phthalo blue. It's beautiful together. The whole while I'm tilting this, you're seeing more and more little cells popping up to the surface. I feel like there's a little too much white going on up there. So now I can bring this back. Yeah, this is gorgeous. It's a whole bunch of extra paint. I'm gonna try to get some of that off. I definitely don't want it to crack when it dries. There we go, got that big chunk off there, and then we'll stretch it back. Stretch it back towards this side. It's crazy, the more I stretch it, the more beautiful little cells are popping up. Looks amazing. I'm definitely not gonna pour this white on the bottom corner off. I don't want to lose that. So I'm just gonna get it to move a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it back. Alright. Bring it back a little bit. That's crazy pretty right here. I think I'm gonna take, one of y'all commented on one of my videos earlier this week, told me to walk away. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk away from this right now. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I love it. So let me just use this torch. There's still a little bit of bubbles in the paint. And see what we get. So pretty right now. All So what I do need to do is take some of this black base coat that had dripped off the edges and coat the edges really well. Make sure you cover in all the corners. All right. Well, I'm super excited about this. This came out amazing. I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up so you can see it a little bit better, and let's get into it. If you stuck around all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you enjoy the content, give me a like because it really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe because I put out content like this every Monday and every Thursday, and I don't want you to miss it. If you want to watch another video just like this one, click any of these videos on the screen right now to be taken there, and I'll meet you in that video. I'll see you in the next one.